Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to draw the column layout diagram for 10-story apartment building by using AutoCAD software. So column layout is also one of the most important topic for the architectural purpose. So this is my floor plan which is related to the 10-floor apartment structure. So I was already explained this respected floor plan in my previous video. You can follow that respected video for drawing the simple floor plan by using AutoCAD software. So in this video I will explain you how to draw the column layout for this respected floor plan by using AutoCAD software. So these green color marks are indicates your respected columns. So before drawing any kind of the column layout diagram, initially we need to click on the copy option. So CO enter, select all this respected object initially, click on enter option, select the base point here. So here I am selecting the distance. Let us consider distance is 60, click on enter option. Now you can see the layout diagram was created with another floor plan here like this. So after copying your respective floor plan, initially we need to delete all these properties which is related to the text, walls and windows, doors and etc. except the column conditions. So for that initially I am deleting all the properties which is related to the text, walls and your respected ventilations and window etc. So now you can see all the walls and text command and etc. Which are related to the doors, windows etc. are removed for this respected columns like this. So now you can see only the columns will be exist for this respected object. So initially we need to draw the column layout diagram for this respected structure. So before that we need to create the layers which are related to the center line, and we need to create the layers which is related to the text, and we need to create the layers for the circle. So for that go to layers property initially. So here we have to select the right click on it. So here initially we need to create the layers. So for the right click on it, click on new layer. So click on new layer option, give the name, let us consider it as circle C, and you have to select the color as per your considerations. Let us consider just I'm taking it as yellow color for the circle layer. Click on OK. Otherwise you can select it as red color as per your considerations. So here I'm selecting circle. Okay, so after that we have to select the line here. Just I'm selecting new layer, line, L enter, select this color, just I'm taking it as yellow color, click on OK. So after that we have to create one more layer which is related to the respected text. So let us take it as T layer. So here we have to select the point, again we have to select the text as per your consideration. So just I'm taking it as white color, click on OK. So after that we have to select the line layer. So we need to draw the center line only for this respected object. So for that we have to select the line layer option. So it will be consisting of line type is continuous section here. So in this we need to select this respected line. So we have to load the line which is related to the center line. So for that click on load option here. So it will be consisting of your dot A C A D section like this. So initially we need to select the center layer. So this time selecting it as center to option, click on OK, select this center to, click on OK. Now we can see it will assign with the center to option here like this. So after that click on this respected cross mark. Now here initially we need to select the layer property which is related to the line. Okay, so after that we have to select the line command, L enter. So initially we need to select the center point for this column. So select this and we have to draw the lines in horizontal position. Let us consider here like this. Okay, again in the same process we have to draw the lines in horizontal position. Let us consider this second column section. So here I am drawing the horizontal position. Again in the same process we need to draw the lines in horizontal section for the remaining one. So after drawing all the horizontal lines, we need to draw the vertical lines also. So for that click on L enter command. So initially we need to select the center line here. Again you have to draw the center lines like this. Okay, so just I'm considering the center line here for the vertical section like this. Again in the same process we need to draw the center lines for the remaining column and section. So let us consider this. Again I'm drawing here like this. Again click on L enter option. Select the center line for this portion. Let us consider. Again I am drawing the center line at this position. Again I am selecting line command, L enter. So now we have to select the next column and section for this vertical member. So here I am selecting the center line here. Again I am drawing the center line through this vertical line section. Let us consider. So here I am selecting the point like this. Again in the same process we need to draw the line command, L enter, select this center point here. So again I am drawing the vertical line section like this. Again I am drawing one more line section. Let us consider. So here I am taking the starting point at this position. Again I am drawing the second point at this position. Let us consider. Again click on line command, L enter. Now here I am selecting the starting point like this. Again I am selecting the, let us consider, ending point here like this. Again I am drawing one more line command, L enter, select the starting point here. Again I am selecting the ending point here. Now we have to draw the remaining vertical lines for this section here like this. So after drawing all these respected vertical lines, horizontal lines, we need to draw the offset which is at a distance of 5 meter in horizontal position like this. Again in the same process we need to draw the 5 meter offset for the left hand side section also. So here I am drawing the one more line section like this. Let us consider. So now we have to extend these respected horizontal lines. EX double enter option. So here we have to select these lines, extend these lines to the horizontal section like this. Again we have to extend these respected lines. Okay, so after extending the lines, in the same process we need to extend the bottom lines also. So after that we have to remove this respected line section. Click on delete option. Again we have to remove this respected line section. Now we have to trim all the lines to the bottom section like this. So after that we have to select this horizontal line, click on delete option. So after drawing all these respected horizontal lines and vertical lines for this center line diagram for the columns, so we need to draw the circles. So for that we have to select the circles layer command, circles. So click on C, enter option, select the point here. So let us consider this respected point. So here I am considering the distances. Let us take it as 1.5. Click on enter option. Now we can see 1.5 meter circle is drawn here like this. TR double enter here. So here we have to trim this respected object inside this point. So here I am trimming this. Again we have to apply the line here. Let us consider. So here I am applying the horizontal lines. Click on TR double enter, trim this line. Again in the same process we need to trim the lines which is there in horizontal position. So now we have to delete these lines. Now we have to copy this respected circle command with multiple options. So for that we have to click on copy option, CO enter, select this circle object, click on enter, select this respected base point. Again we have to attach this respected base point to all the points here like this. Let us consider. So here we have to select the points, horizontal points here like this. Again in the same process we need to apply the circles in vertical section also. C, enter, select the center point. Let us take it as 1.5, click on enter. Again we have to draw the lines which is vertical section. Again in the same process we need to apply the trims here, TR double enter here. Again I am selecting this respected object, trimming here like this. So here I am trimming this respected 3 lines also. In the same process just I am selecting the vertical reference line here, click on delete option. Now we have to draw the copies for this respected circle. So for that we have to select the copy command. Let us consider CO enter. So here I am selecting, select the circle here, click on enter, select the point here. Just we have to attach this respected point in vertical section also for this respected apartment structure which is consisting of 10 floors. Okay, so after that we have to draw the text for this respected object. So for that we have to change the layer property to the text here. So click on text command, T, enter. So let us select the starting point here like this. Again we have to select the ending point here like this. So let us consider the name of horizontal section will be A. Let us consider here. So here we have to change the layer height. Let us take it as 1. So here I am moving this respected text to the center position. Let us consider, select this, click on this point. Again I am selecting F8 option. So select this respected center point like this. So after that we have to copy all this respected text to the remaining sections. So for that click on copy option, CO, enter, select the text inside this circle. So select the base point here. Let us consider. So again we have to select the F8 option. Again you have to select the base point like this. So now we have to change the text for this horizontal position to some B letter here for the second section. Let us take it as B. Again in the same process we need to change the text for this in horizontal section. Again in the same process just I am selecting the last line which is comes under your respected values. L. So after that, in the same process, we need to apply the vertical section also. So for that, click on copy command, CO enter, select this object, click on enter, click on F8 option. So here we have to attach this respected point like this. Now we have to select this inside text. Let us take it as 1 number. Again, click on copy command, let us consider. So select this object, click on enter, click on F8 option, select this point. You can copy this respected multiple points in vertical position like this for this object. So after copying all these respected points, we need to change the text name. Let us take here as 2. Again, this is your respected property of 3. Again, I am considering this respected property as 4. So here I am considering this respected property is 5. Again, I am selecting this respected option is 6. Let us consider. Again, I am selecting this respected option as 7. Again, last one will be comes under your respected distance of 8 here. Okay, so now we have to measure the center to center distance for each and every circle in horizontal position and vertical position. So for that, select linearly varying option, select the starting point, select the second point, click on this respected point. Now we can see the distance between the A and B is 5.3850. In the same process, we can measure the distance here. So you can give the distance, height, direction and text height as per the dimensions command. So click on modify option. So here we have to select the text. Let us take here as 0.5. Click on OK. So click on OK option. Click on close option. Now you can see the text height is decreased here. So again, in the same process, we need to measure the horizontal distance between the each and every grid for this section. So after that, we have to measure the vertical distance also. Let us consider this point. So now we have to select the point here like this, select the second point, click on this respected position. So now in the same process, we need to measure the vertical distance. So now we can zoom this respected option. So this is the complete center to center distance layout diagram for this respected 10 floor apartment building. So you can give the text for this respected column section as per your grid lines considerations. We can give the text here as C horizontal, which is consisting of 1, and this is vertical will be of 1. So CA1 is the column notation for this, and this is BA1 and CA1 and is this respected HA1, let us consider JA1, KA1, LA1. In the same process, you need to give the text for the respected remaining section. So this is the process. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for the respected questions. Thank you.